Hello students, today we are going to learn the next topic, copying and moving data. Copying data means to duplicate the cell content that can be either text, numbers or even formula within or to another worksheet. This operation does not affect the original data. Whereas moving data refers to shifting the position of cell content to another location within or to another worksheet. So today we are going to learn about the steps of copying data within a worksheet. To copy the data, first select the data or the range of cell you wish to copy. Suppose I am copying the range of cell A1 to D1. Now on the Home tab button, click on the Copy button present in the clipboard group. So click on the Copy option and you can see a marquee appears around the selection. The next step is select the range where you want to copy the data. So suppose I am selecting the range A9 to D9 and click on the paste option present in the clipboard group on the Home tab. So now you can see that your data has been copied from one location to another within the worksheet. So similarly, to move data within a worksheet, we can first select the cell. Suppose we are selecting the range A2 to D2. Go to the Home tab. In the clipboard group, click on the option Cut. Now you can see that a marquee appears along the range of cell you have selected. Now for next step, select the destination range where you want to paste your data. Suppose I am selecting the range A10 to D10. Now click on the paste button present in the clipboard group and you can see the data is copied from A2 D2 range and shifted to the A10 D10 range. So in this manner you can copy or move your data. Next, coming to deleting cells, rows and columns. To delete the cell, follow the steps. First, select the cell or range of cell to be deleted. Suppose I am selecting the range which is to be deleted. Now, in the Home tab, you have the cells group. Click on the Delete button. You can see that a drop down arrow will appear. Select the option Delete Cells. So as you click on the option, you can see that a dialog box will appear. So click on the option. Either you can delete the entire row or the entire column. So here I am deleting the entire row and click on the option OK. So you can see that the entire row have been deleted from your worksheet. So in this manner you can delete either one cell, a full row or a column. Now suppose I want to delete this column. Click on the particular cell you wish to delete. Go to the Delete button. Click on the Delete Cells option and click on the entire column option and click on OK button. Now you can see that how the whole column is being deleted. So either you can delete a whole row, column or a particular cell over here. Now suppose we have to resize rows and column. You can easily change the default row height and column width in a worksheet as per your requirement. To change the row height or column width, you have to follow these steps. Click on any cell in the row or column whose height or width you wish to resize. Now go to the Home tab. In the Cells group, you can see a Format option is present over there. So a drop down box will appear. For row height, select the row height option. To change the column width, you can click on the column width option. For this, I am clicking on the row height option. You can see that by default, we are having the row height as 15. So to change, you can enter any desired value you wish to, that is 25, and click on OK button. Now you can see that the row height has been changed from default to 25 number. Next, to change the column width, click on the Format button, column width option, and you can see by default the column width is 8.43. So now specify the desired value for column width in the box. So I am deciding it as 15 and click on OK button. Now you can see that the column width has been increased to the desired value we have entered in the box. So this way you can change the row height, column width, or copy, move the data, or delete the row and column. Thank you, students.